Hi, I'm Juan Velasquez. I'm from Metropolitan Business Academy School. And this week I learned how to use a saw and another type of saw. I forgot the name. And I learned how to put wood together to make a wall. And we went to this trip today about different type of furniture. And I really like the dynamic design of one bench, which I sketched, and it's really going well to this point, and I'm hoping to see more next week.
This week was pretty interesting. I learned how to drill pieces of wood together without splitting it. So, pretty much, it's been a productive week, and I've had fun so far.
I like learning new things. Like, I'm not good at drawing. We did learn different techniques with drawing, and I learned how to use power tools.
I guess one thing I learned about myself this week is I really like working outside. So if we're outside, like building our benches or just working outside in the sun, I'd rather do that than just sit down, listen to people talk, or just draw. So whenever I come here, I'll always look forward to working outside.
Thing that I learned this week. I think I learned how to use a power drill. Like mostly I actually build stuff together without like using like clay. I'm using wood, which is kind of different for me, and not like hot glue.
Well, this week we did a lot of walking around and building and kind of laid back things, and I think the most important thing to me that I got out of it this first week is just observation, looking at spaces, drawing them relative scale, and just kind of appreciating them in a different way.
I think this week was really good. I learned that to look at if you're trying to make something, to look at what you're trying to make, examples of it from different perspectives, and see what's best and what's accommodates not only you but other people. And I think that's really good to learn.
It's been a new experience for me because I'm not the girl that loves art that much, so it's just new for me. But I've learned how to use power tools that I never knew existed, and I love how we are all able to like connect with our instructors because they're just cool people. So yeah, it's fun.
Well, I learned the importance of preparation, and these guys have been doing a pretty awesome job making everything to the point where we're pretty much ahead of schedule right now with the making part. So yeah, I don't know, it's just keeping Boris and I on our toes, and we're doing a lot of blueprinting and stuff, and they go out there and everything we've been teaching them, they've been doing a great job at it, and they've been staying focused, and yeah, I think I've been surprised at how quickly people can learn, and some pretty complicated carpentry stuff as well.
Yeah, and how much we can learn from our students. Often it's a lot easier to relay a student's question to the rest of the class, and there'll be somebody in the class that could answer it. And I think that's a better way of teaching, where it's more learning and sharing than dictating what somebody should do or shouldn't do.